Hey, what's good everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. I'm here to show you how to lock your camera into 200 megapixels just in case you're trying to get a high quality shot. By default, your camera, even if you change to, let's say, a 50 megapixel shot or a 200 megapixel shot, whenever you leave the camera app, it will revert back to 12 megapixels. But if you want that to stay on the last setting that you left off on, here's how to do it. Now, what you want to do is go into the camera app. Then there's four little buttons over to in the corner. Click on that. Then click on the gear to get into the camera settings. I want you to scroll all the way down to the settings to keep. That's what you want to click on. Once you're inside settings to click, I need you to scroll until you find high resolution. Now what you want to do, you want to turn that on. Once you turn that on, it keeps 50 and 200 megapixel resolution apply instead of switching to the default resolution when you close the camera. Once you do that, you can back out of it. And as you can see right now, I have it on 200. I'm going to switch that over to 50. As you can see, switch over to 50. I'm about to leave the app, come back in it. It stays on 50. So if you, for example, are trying to get high quality shots, let's say you're on vacation and you need not to fumble so much with the actual camera settings, that's a good way to lock in the last setting that you have on to make sure you get the shot that you want. If you have any questions about this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.